If you're looking to replace or upgrade the strap on your Mopar Tonneau cover, this Bakflip Complete Buckle strap kit is the perfect solution. Crafted from the highest quality materials, this kit ensures long-lasting durability and superior performance, so you can trust it to hold up under various conditions. Designed specifically as a D-ring replacement, it fits seamlessly on both the top and bottom sides of your cover, providing a secure fit that won't let you down. This replacement kit is not just about functionality, it's about giving you peace of mind. With precise dimensions of 19.05 x 572 x 7 centimeters, and a weight of only 136 kilograms, it's easy to handle and install. The product is proudly made in the United States, ensuring quality craftsmanship. Whether you're repairing a broken strap from mishaps or upgrading your current setup, this kit offers a practical and reliable solution. Top reviews from the United States highlight its perfect fit for Mopar Tonneau covers. One satisfied customer shared their experience of accidentally snapping the strap while going through a car wash with the Tonneau cover up. Unable to find a replacement strap from Mopar, they decided to try this Bakflip strap and couldn't be happier. The fit was perfect, restoring the function of the cover without hassle. Don't let a broken strap ruin your Tonneau cover experience. Click the link in the description to purchase this Bakflip Complete Buckle strap kit today, and be sure to subscribe to our channel for more product recommendations and reviews.